Good afternoon, everyone. I am starting Olympiad Maths workbook problems, starting with the first chapter, number sense, and it has covered the topics numerals and number names, place value and phase value in the Indian and international system of numeration, Roman numbers, estimation to nearest tens, hundreds and thousands, formation of a number using given information, expanded form, ascending and descending order, word problems. Now let's start with the first problem. The first problem, as you can see that it is written as what is the numeral form of the number name given below. The number that is being given is 104,103. Here in this case, I want to talk little about the international system of numeration, which is unit, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000, and then 100,000. Here we have 104,103. That means 104,103. Is it clear? Which makes the correct option as this one, because the first one we read, the first option A, we read it as 1,413. The second option we are reading it as 14,103. The third option we are reading it as 104,103, and we have used that international system of numeration as well here. And here it is reading as the fourth option is being read as 104,113. But in our question, as we can see, it is given as 104,103. So that makes our C option as the correct one. Now let's go to the second question. The second question we can read it as the sum of place values of all the digits of the number 729,568 is. Now place value means, like if I write the number here 7 2 9 5 6 8, the place value of 7 is 7. The rest of the thing will be 0, which makes it 700,000. Now comes 2. The place value of 2 is 20,000. The place value of 9 is 9,000. The place value of 5 is 500. The place value of 6 is 60. The place value of 8 is 8. Now, if we add all of them, it gives us 8, 6, 5, 9, 2, 7, which gives us the result as 729,568 according to international system of numeration, which makes our D option as the correct one. Now let's go to the third question. In this case, It is given as Roman numeral for the greatest 3-digit number is. Now can you, so we all know that the greatest 3-digit number is 999. Now we have to write a Roman numeral for this number. So we can break the number as 900, 999. We are breaking the number as 900 plus 90 plus 9. Now we can break 900 as 1000 minus 100. We can break 90 as 100 minus 10, and we can break 9 as 10 minus 1. That is 100 means M, 1000 means M, 100 means C, plus 100 means C, and 10 means X, plus 10 means X, and 1 means I. So whenever we are subtracting in case of Roman numeral, whenever we are subtracting a number from the bigger number, in that case we will write the smaller number first. That means here in M minus C, I will write it as CM. In case of C minus X, we will write it as XC. With X minus I will write it as IX, which makes our B option correct. Now let's go to the fourth question. We can read the fourth question as 90,90,090 is same as. Here I will again want to remind you about the international system of numeration, according to which now we will go till million. In the first question we went till 1000, 100,000, but here we will go till 100 million. So it's unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Then we have million, 10 million, and we have 100 million. Now here we have 90. 90 comes in the tens place. So it's 90 million. Then we have 90,000. So this one will be blank because it is for 100,000. But we have here 90,000. So we are going to that 10,000 place. That is 90. Then we have 90. Again our 100 place will remain empty because we have 90. So that makes our number as 90 million, 90,000 and 90, which makes it as the B option as the correct one. 900,900,90, which is B option. That is 90 million, 90,000 and 90. Now let's go to the fifth question. We can read the fifth question as in 246,349 the place value of 4 at 10,000 place is dash times the place value of 4 at tens place. So Let's write the number first. It is 2, 4, 6, 3, 4, 9. Here the place value of 4 at 10,000 place is, that means this number is 40,000. Is dash times the place value of 4 at tens place. At tens place means this 4, the place value of this number is 40. This 4 is 40. So how many times the place value of 1000 place is dash times the place value of 4 at tens place? So we can easily divide 40,000 by 40 and then reduce it 411,000, which is 1000 times, which makes it 1000 times. This makes our B option correct. Now let's go to the sixth question. The sixth question is being read as, which of the following Roman numerals is meaningless? Means which doesn't carry any meaning. So let's try with the first option. CX. C means 100 and X means 10. Here C is a bigger number and X is a smaller number. So here in this case it will be a summation. So 100 plus 10 is 110. So it is absolutely correct. Next, let's go to the B option. C is 100. I am again explaining the first option, which is CX. C is 100 and X is 10. And C is a bigger number than X. So in this case, it will be a summation. The first Roman number is greater than the second Roman number. So here in this case it will be a plus. So 100 plus 10 is 110. Now let us go to the second option. It is B, which is given as X, X, V. X means 10 plus 10 plus 5, which makes our number as 10 plus 10 plus 5 is 25, which is absolutely correct. Now let's go to the third option, which is VX. V means 5, V is a smaller number and X is a bigger number, which means in this case it will just get reversed, that is 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. But for 5, we already have a Roman number, which is V. So we don't have the requirement to write this 5 digit in this way because we already have V for it. So that means this VX is completely meaningless. So this is our correct answer. But still we will analyze that D option as well. Let's start with it. This is M. The D option is being read as M C X. So it's M means 1000, C means 100 and X means 10. So we can read the number as 1110, which is absolutely correct. So only option which is meaningless is C, that is VX. Now let us go to the seventh question. We can read the seventh question as 5,25,215 can be written in International System of Numeration as, okay, let's start with the unit please. Unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, and then we have 100 million. We need 5 lakh. 5 lakh means after 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 25,000. 25,000. Then we have 215. 200. And then we have 15. If we add all these digits together, then we are getting 512525. So, and if we place this number under this form, then let's start with the unit place. 5, 1, 2, 5, 2, 5. By this process, we can read the number as 525,215, which makes our A option correct. Now let us go to the 8th question. In the 8th question, we are comparing two Roman numbers. We can read the question as compare and fill in the box. The first number is given as C. Let us write that number C M L X V blank D C C C L X X I. Here C is 100, M is 1000, L is 50, X is 10, and V is 5. So as 100, as I have already explained before, as 100 is smaller than M, in that case it will be 1000 minus 100 plus 50 plus 10. Here it is maintaining a sequence. After this one, it is maintaining a sequence. All of them are lesser than the other one, previous one. Like 50 is more than 10, 10 is more than 5, or in the other way, 5 is less than 10 and 10 is less than 50. So we have to do here addition. But only here in this case, it will be a subtraction because the smaller number is coming first. So 50 plus 10 plus 5. That makes our number 1000 minus 100 as 900 plus 50 plus 10 plus 5. It is 965. Here we have D is we know as 500, C as 100, next C also as 100, next C 100, L is 50, X is 10, next X is also 10, and I is 1. All of them are in decreasing order or they are equal. So here all of them will be addition. So 500 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1. 500 plus 100 plus 100 is 700 plus 100 is 800. 850, 60, 70 and 1. 871. Let me check it again. 500, 600, 700, 800, 850, 860, 870, 880. So the number which is in my left hand side is 965 and the number which is in my right hand side is 871. So it makes it greater than. 965 is greater than 871. So our correct option is A. Now let me read the 8th question. My 8th question is Roman numeral for 752 is. So let me first break this number. It is 752. I'm writing the number and I'm breaking it as 500 plus 100 plus 100 plus 50 plus 2, which makes the number as 500. We know the Roman number for 500 is D. The Roman number for 100 is C. The Roman again 100 we have, so C. 50 is L and 2 is 2. This makes our B option correct. Now let's go to the 10th question. What will we get if we subtract 1 from the smallest 6-digit number? The smallest 6-digit number is 100,000. If we subtract 1 from this number, we are getting 10 minus 1, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, which makes it 99,999. This makes our A option correct. Now let us go to the 11th question. 11th question, we are reading it as 100 lakh. 100 lakh, we generally use lakh in Bharatiya Ganana Pranali. Now we have to transform this 100 lakh, which is in Bharatiya Ganana Pranali, to international system of numeration. Whenever it is lakh, means after that number we have to give it a 5-digit, like after 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to place it in this form: unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So let's start with the unit place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have 1, 2, 3, which makes it 100 million. Sorry, which makes it 10 million, because it's in tens place, 10 millions place, so which makes it 10 million, which makes our A option correct. Now let us come to the 12th question, which is which of the following option shows the successor of the number on the given abacus? The number in the given abacus is 4, then we have 2, then we have 4, then we have 5, then we have 2, and then we have 1. So the number from the abacus that we are reading is I will write it in the copy. 4, 2, 4, 5, 2, 1, and successor means the next number. So whenever it's successor, we will just add a plus 1, which is the next number. So 2, 2, 5, 4, 2, 4. So we can read the number as 424,522, which makes our B option correct. Now let us go to the 13th question. 13th question is being read as round off the number 46,589 to nearest 100. So let me write the number first. It is 46,589 to nearest hundreds place. This is our 100 place. When 100 place is given, we are going to check our tens place. So here tens place is more than, it is 89, which is more than 50. It means we are going to add a 1 with our hundreds place. So where it is 100 place, what we have understood from this question, we've understood that whenever 100 place is given, we are going to check the tens place. Tens place is 80, which is more than 50. If it would have been less than 50, we wouldn't have done anything with this number. We simply would have written 46,000. But here in this case, our tens place is 80, which is more than 50. So we are going to add a 1 with our hundreds place. So which makes it 46600, which makes our A option correct. Now let us go to the 14th question. 14th question is being read as the difference between the place values of the encircled digits of the given numbers is. So let me write the number. Difference means subtraction. So it's 4. The first number is given as 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 42, 352, it's 160. The number which is encircled is 5. The next number that is being given is 24, 68, 962, and the number that is encircled is 8. So the place values of the first number and the number that is encircled is 5000. And the next number is 8800. After 5 I have 4 digits which I will put it as 0. After 5, 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 40. After 8, 3 digits, so 3 zeros, and then difference means subtraction, which means 50,000 minus 8,000. That is 0 0 0. 10 minus 8 is 2 and 4, which makes it 42,000, which makes our A option correct. Now let us go to the next question. Predecessor of largest 5-digit number is, so question number 15. The largest 5-digit number that we know is 99999. Predecessor means the previous number, means we are going to subtract a 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 9 9 9, which makes it 99,998. But here in our option we don't have anything like 99,998, so the correct option is none of these. Now let us go to the 16th question. Which of the following options is arranged in descending order? Descending means from the bigger number to the smaller number. So let us analyze the first option. Option number A. Option number A is being read as 7,039,154. But the second number after that we have in that option is 7,093,000, which is bigger than the first number. So it is going according to ascending order, not descending order. Let us go to the second option, B. Here it is being read as 8 billion 50 million 76,745. Okay, fine. The next number 8 billion 50 million 76,547. That is also fine. But the next number that we can see is 8 billion 50 million 67,574, which is more than the previous number. That makes it ascending order. Till the second option it was okay, but the third option disturbed the sequence, which is where we are supposed to get descending order. Now let us analyze the second option. Second option is 4,076,098. Second number after that 4,087,678. It's okay. It's bigger than the first number. The third number is it is an ascending order, because the first one is smaller than the second number. So it is in ascending order, but the requirement is descending order. Let us analyze the fourth option. In the fourth option we have 3 billion 15 million 45,001. The next number we have 3 billion 51 million 54,100. And the fourth option So it is also not matching with the descending order, because of the smaller number, it is the smallest number, smaller number, the next number is bigger than this number, so it is going in ascending order. So I think, yeah, I have missed something here. So B option, here you can see it is 8 billion 50 million 76,745. The second number we have is 8 billion 50 million 76,547, which is smaller than the previous number. Then we have the third option, 8 billion 50 million 67,574. Yeah, it is smaller because 67,000 is there. In other cases it is 76,000, but here in the third option we have 67,000. The next number, 8 billion 50 million 67,547. So here the last number was 574, but here we have 547. So it makes it descending order. Option B is the correct one. Now the phase value of 3 on 17th question is given as phase value of 3 in 7,021,348. Let me write the number in the copy to make it more clear. 7,021,348. So the phase value, here they are talking about phase value, what is written on the phase, not the place value. So phase value is 3. It can't be 300. 300 is a place value, not a phase value. Phase value is something which is written on the face without considering the place. Now 18, we can see it as which of the following will be the greatest if each number is rounded off to nearest thousands. So the first option is 4,085,932. Nearest thousand. Nearest thousand means we'll check the hundreds place. Hundreds place is 900, which is more than 500. So we will make 4,000 places 486,000. Now let's check the B option. It is 4,080,508. So 1000 place we have to check. So in that case we will keep an eye on the hundreds place. So 508, which is more than 500. 500 is equal to 500. Place value of this 500 means is equal to 500. In that case also we will increase 1000 place by 1. Now C option we have 4,86,702. Then in that case we have to keep an eye on the hundreds place, which is 700, which is more than 500. So we will increase the thousandth place by 1, which makes it 87,702. And number D option is 4,85,932. 320. Keep an eye on the hundredth place, which is 300 is less than 500. In that case, we will keep the thousand place unchanged. We will not do anything on that thousandth place. So it makes it as 485000. Now, which is the greatest number? Greatest number is C, which is being read as 4,087,702. Sorry, 700. After rounding off, so in that case, all will become 0. This will become 0. After rounding off, it will become 0. 0, 0, 0, 481, 481,000, 487,000, 485,000. It is being read as 4,086,000. 4 million, there is a comma over there. So it is being read as 4,086,000, 4,081,000. If there is no comma, then we will read it as 486,000, 481,000. But here we have a comma in our question. So we will read this number as 4,086,000, 4,081,000, 4,087,000 and 4,085,000, which makes our C option as the correct one. Now let us go to the 19th question. Select the correct match. Okay, then for that we have to write it option by option in our copy. The first option is 500,000. Then we have 40,000. Then we have 3,000. Then we have 200. Then we have 10. And if we add all these numbers the way I have written over here, I will get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is our answer over here? It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. They don't have a 0 over it over there. So it's the wrong option. Now let us check the B option. In B option we have 90,000 plus 3,000 plus 60 plus 5. And if I add all of them, I will get 56039, which makes it as 93,065 after adding the way I have written. But here we have 9,365. So which is wrong? Let's go to C option. C option we have 100,000. Then we have 80,000. Then we have 500. Then we have 40. And then we have 8. After adding in this way, the way I have written, it is 8, 4, 5, 0, 8, 1, which makes it 180,548, which is correct over here. In the option also it is correct. So our right answer is option number C. But still we will analyze option number D as well. So in option number D, it is 80,000, 3,956. So after adding 6, 5, 938. So it is 839,506, which is wrong. But in our case, we got the answer as 83,956. So our correct answer is option number C. Now let us go to the question number 20. Here the question is being read as largest 5-digit number that can be formed by using the digits 6, 4, 0 and 7 each at least once. Here in this case, whenever we have to find the largest digit and the number of digits given are less, in that case we will use the number which is highest number of times, so that it becomes the largest number. Like here in this case we have 7, is the highest number, and we have to make a 5-digit number. So we will make use of this highest number 7 little bit more to make it the largest number if the number of digits are less. We have to, here in this question, we have to find a 5-digit number, but the number of digits given are only 4. It is 6, 4, 0, 7. It makes only 4 digits, but we have to make a 5-digit number. So we will start with 7, and we will use 7 2 times to make it the largest number. After 7 comes 6, after 6 comes 4, and then 0. So this is our largest number by using this 4 digits. So it is option D is the correct one. Thank you for today, and if you have any doubts or anything, you can always send me on the comment. And if this video was useful or helpful to anyone, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, and I will update with the next number of questions in my next video. Thank you.